Okay, just woke up and I didn't catch the error code because I was real groggy. But look what we got here. We got filament bound up. Oh, what's this? Nice. And then this boy right here. Okay, let's heat this up and I'm good to go. And that, look at that. Ooh, it chewed it up. Well, I don't know what to do. I've got it heated up to 300. This filament's on here solid. Ain't coming off, right? And it's just, let's see, we'll move Z down. Oh, can't do that. Gotta home it. Can't home it because there's a big blob of filament on it. Let's see what this side looks like. Okay. Maybe I can get that off with the torch or something. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it seems like no matter what I do, I can't get that blob off of there. Can't move the tool head any more than that. Can't home it because it won't go down without the tool head being parked or something. Let's see. Oh, movement, yeah. All right, let's hit it. Wait. Wait. How did it do that? What happened? Oh, yeah, that is nasty. Potato video for you. And this is what the screen shows. But now that it's forward like that, I might could get it off. Let me see. Okay, so I was able to get this Allen key in here, fish it in, hook the latch, unhook it. Now we're kind of loose. All right, making a little progress. But nope, right back to square one. Great. Yeah, look at that. Not great. And then that's a little heat shrink sleeve or whatever it is. Just completely blobbed up. Okay, I was able to get this kind of loose a little bit. I'm going to heat it up and try to get it cleaned out from under here. Okay, got it off. It was a pain in the ass. I had to unlatch this through here, hook it, pull it, torch the hell out of this heat sink, which I think that's a wire stuck in there. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Okay. That's what we're left with. It's really hot. And this big blob here. On that. That sucks. Yep, get this off of here, get it back together, good to go. Alright, so far the only damage I'm seeing right here. Let me get this back on in a second. But see that wire there? Come on. It looks bare to me. I don't want to touch it, it's kind of hot. This wire right here. And then the silicone thing ripped. Can't get it back on right. Yeah, that's a good blob. Solid too. Just noticed this too. Little flicker got knocked off. Oh shit, okay, well that's not good. Alright, get this back on here. That's it. Alright, looks like we're back up in printing. Let's go for blob number 2. First print, not as bad as the blob, but you know, it's pretty good still. This jumped off. Alright, got it stopped. Let's see if I can do this with a thumbnail. Or if I just jam it into my finger. Okay. Let me get this clean. Not gonna risk it anymore. There we go. Oh, that nozzle is a little nasty. Get this on here real quick. I don't know if this is going to keep falling off. Maybe if I click it in right, it wouldn't. I think that's locked in. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. My poop chute's not too full. There's something in there. What is that? That looks important. Let's see, what's missing here? So, took this off. Ignore that, I'm on a stool. Magnets. That's pretty sick, actually. I'm not seeing that this piece in here anywhere. So I'm assuming it goes on here somewhere. Yeah, let me take that apart. Probably a better way to do this, but this is my way of doing it. So I was taking everything apart, trying to find where this piece went. Thought it was some kind of clip or a bracket. Turns out, it's a little poop chute picker piece. Okay, let's see if I can get this piece in. So it goes this way. Oh, of course, every time I put my hands down there, it goes out of focus. Dude, what a pain. Okay. There's that. Got this starting back up. Still, this thing is like not clicking together good. That's really my only complaint with this machine, is it's the plastic. It's just kind of doesn't feel good. I mean, it's soft, but it like doesn't feel strong. And look at it. So I can do this without getting punched. Kind of looks like a robot. I just want to take a minute to like admire this blob. Look at this thing. I see a witch. I see like almost a Pokemon. This thing is sick. And say hi to my fish. My bad. Alright, back to the printer. Right now, it's doing the 1,000,000 point level. It takes forever, but that's only because I'm impatient. It's actually pretty quick. Bam. Just found this back here, right next to this little shit. See if I can catch this on the slow layer. Oh, come on, fingers, don't fail me. Oh, it's about to happen. Come on, slippery little. I guess so, there's better ways to do this, but I did it my way. There. Alright, not trying to jinx it, but it's looking good. Hey look, no parts. Just junk, just trash. Little update here. Everything's going good. Got one little string there, nothing crazy. Oh shit, it scared me. Looking great. Only took me all day. Last few seconds of the print, looking good. I never noticed how much that bed hops every line. I can catch that. It's kind of crazy. Going good. Going really good. Let's see, when this goes down, I'll see if I can peel it while it's hot. See if I can do this. Nope. Alright, let me see if I can do this with one hand. That stick glue is good. There we go. That was satisfying, right? Look at there. All the tool heads in place. Poop chute kickers, kickable. Bed, sticky. Trash, minimal. Ignore that. But in all seriousness, don't put your hands in these machines when they're running. Only someone real dumb would do that. And I'm going to run another one in a different color now. Let's go with this blue. Of course, we want a time lapse. That's it. And then I redo the stick glue every third print, or I don't, and then I get a big giant mess.